I'm doing just fine. You think you can change, I'll change the time.
Hi friends, I wanted to do a quick talking segment before I head to bed. So recently I feel like I've been doing a lot of silent vlog like vibes in my videos, and I like that, but I also want to incorporate more talking too because I love watching that. And when I just put a video on in the background, I also enjoy hearing creators yap. So that's what I'm doing before I head to sleep. I'm actually, fun fact, also a dancer. Let me know if you want a Q&A. And this is my main pursuit. So I danced a lot today, but I also spent a little time working on this top. And I can't remember the creator whose pattern I'm following, but I'll put it right here on the screen. That's the creator, and it's a really easy pattern. I really recommend it. I'm following her YouTube video, and it works up really fast. So if you're a beginner, or if you're looking for a quick, cute pattern, it's actually a lesbian pattern, but my girlfriend wanted it in mustard, so that's what I'm doing. Happy Pride Month, y'all. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep alternating the mesh and then not mesh because I don't feel like watching the video anymore. If that's what she does, then that's great, but if not, that's okay. That's what I'm doing. I just mostly needed the pattern for those cups and the strings, but that's the progress. I'm kind of sad because I've only gotten 2 orders from my Etsy since it opened. I know it hasn't been very long, but I am a driven, motivated person, and yeah. But I'm just gonna keep going with my marketing on YouTube and Instagram, and I've been posting I post every day on YouTube. I post reels every day, and I'm posting a video every week, once a week. Trying to do it like sometime during the weekend, so like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so keep your eye out in the future. And I'm just hoping for the best. I'm a small business owner now and a small content creator, so this is the life. I'm just gonna keep keeping my head up and trying. That's it for now. I'll see you later. Bye friends. Okay, I was ready for my morning crochet session, but it turned into a yarn untangling session. Does anyone have this issue when they pull from the middle of the yarn? It just makes like huge knots because it gets tangled with the other end of the yarn. I don't know, but I usually pull from the outside, but I couldn't find it. So let me know in the comments if you struggle with that too. Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to do another yap session. So recently I've been feeling like I'm approaching the edge of burnout and I don't want that to happen. So I only crocheted one thing this week. I didn't have any orders, but I crocheted this beautiful top for my girlfriend, for my beautiful girlfriend for Pride. Happy Pride once again. I've been trying to think about how best to market my Etsy. I'm trying to grow on social media, still working on that by being consistent as I mentioned earlier. But please let me know if you have any tips on like marketing for my Etsy. I would really appreciate it if you let me know in the comments if you're also a creator and small business owner. Just in general, I've been feeling a little stressed and sometimes I can get anxious. So tonight I let myself slow down and relax, and then I did some journaling. I was writing a pros and cons list about a recent opportunity I got and kind of laying out my thoughts about that on a different page. I'm trying to be more mindful when I start to burn out because burnout is not very sustainable. And I really want to have a sustainable lifestyle. I've really been working on improving my mental health. If that's something you're more interested in, let me know. But yeah, taking the time to write things down sometimes helps because it gets the ideas out of my head where they can just like spin and spin and spin into so many things. But once it's on paper, it's actually tangible. You can look at it. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this kind of calm crocheting business life in my week vlog, and also I hope you enjoyed me opening up a little bit more. Let me know what else you would love to learn about or hear about my vlogs, and I hope you are well. Bye friends.